Hi children, so welcome to the next class, the ant and the grasshopper. So did you all go through the worksheet last day? Yes, did you understand the chapter? It's very interesting, isn't it? And it gives a good moral also. What is a moral? Can you just recall? What is the moral of the chapter? Yes, we should work hard and never be lazy. We should work hard and never be lazy. Okay. So today we are going to do the exercise. Exercise of the chapter. That is page number 115 and 116. 115 and 116. Okay. Hope you are ready. So before that, learn the meanings. Learn the meanings. So the first one, we'll take one by one. You have to just know what the meaning of these words. Okay, the first one, chat. C-H-A-T, chat. Chat means talk. T-A-L-K, talk. Chat means talk. Now, second one, yellow seeds that can be cooked. Yellow seeds that can be cooked. What is that? Yes, it is corn. Have you? I think most of you have had corn, cholam. So yellow, it's yellow in color, no? So yellow seed that can be cooked. You can boil it. So it can be cooked. It's corn. Third one, distributing. Distributing means sharing. Distributing means sharing. You have to share your things. Did the ant share? No. Isn't it? So distributing, sharing. During your birthdays, when you come to close, you distribute sweets. Chocolates, not chocolates, sweets. Peanut. So that is distributing means sharing. Unwillingness. Unwillingness meaning refuse. Unwilling. You are not ready to do that. Unwillingness. Our grasshopper was unwilling to do. Unwilling means refuse. Refuse. Okay, not willing. Okay, now we'll go to the opposites. So children, sit on the table, sit straight, take out your pencil and write neatly in your worksheet. So first one, come opposite. You all know the opposite of come, isn't it? Yes. Yes, come opposite. Yes. What is that? Go. Come opposite. Go. Found. You found something. Opposite. L-O. Yes. T. What is that? Lost. Found. Lost. Plenty. Plenty. Opposite is? Yes, few. Plenty opposite, few. Die, you die. Die opposite, as you all know, die opposite, L-I-V-E, live. Die opposite, live. Refuse, you refuse something. You say you don't want. Refuse opposite is accept. Refuse opposite, accept. You take it. So refuse opposite, accept. The first one, come opposite, go. Found, lost. Plenty, few. Die, live. And refuse opposite, accept. You are accepting it. Accept. Okay, now we'll go to the next side of the page, that is your question answers. Answer the following. First one, What was, I will touch, I will show you. Okay, first question. What was the grasshopper doing all through the summer? What was a grasshopper doing all through the summer? Did he do any work? No, isn't it? What was it doing? It was hopping, chirping and singing all through the summer. It was hopping, it was jumping. You can see in the board that last video I showed you. Hopping, chirping and singing all through the summer. So what was a grasshopper doing? So now we'll write here. The grasshopper, children, when you write, you have to touch the lines. The grasshopper was, what was it doing? It was hopping, H-O-P-P-I-N-G, it was hopping, comma, chirping. Chirping means making sounds. Chirping, it's a small insect. So it chirps. Chirping. And one more thing, what is the third point? And singing. It was enjoying the summer season. And singing all through the summer. Throughout the summer. All through the, which season? Summer. All through the summer. Okay. So what was the grasshopper doing? The grasshopper was hopping, chirping and singing all through the summer. It was very happy. So children, if we have only 4 lines drawn on the worksheet, no space means write this last word down. Okay, you have to adjust the space and do. Now next is second question answer. So what is second question? What did the ants do during the summer season? What did the ants do? What did the ants do during the summer season? Did the ants chirp and sing and walk along? No. The ants were gathering food. What they were doing? They were gathering food for winter during summer. The ants were gathering food for which season? Not for summer. For winter during the summer. So now we'll write okay, what was the ants doing? Okay, what was ants doing? The ants, very hard-working people, isn't it? The ants were gathering. Gathering means, what is the meaning of gathering? Collecting. Collecting food for which season? For winter. Ants were collecting food for winter during summer, during summer. You can write it. Yes, during summer season, ants were doing lot of work. They were gathering, they were collecting food for winter during the summer or during summer. Okay, so I hope you understood both the question answers. Now I'll go to the third one. So next, what happened to the grasshopper? What happened to the grasshopper at last? You all know what happened to the grasshopper at last? You remember the last pic of the last class? Yes, what happened? The grasshopper died of hunger. What happened? Yes, we'll write the answer. The grasshopper died. How did he die? Yes, died of hunger. Okay, died of hunger. If we don't have food for a long days, we will also die off, isn't it? So similarly, grasshopper died of hunger. The fourth question, what is the moral of the story? What is a moral? It's very easy. What is a moral? Yes, always work hard and never be lazy. Always work hard and never be lazy. Is there any lazy children here? No, I know you all are good. You are very hardworking children. So, what is the moral? Always work hard and never be lazy. Okay, I hope both these are clear for you. What happened to the grasshopper at the last? The grasshopper died of hunger. And what is the moral of the story? Always work hard and never be lazy. Okay, and you have to, question number 5, frame sentences. That is, you have to frame, you can frame any sentence, your own sentence, using these two words. What's the first word? Sing. Using this word sing, can you frame a sentence? Okay, yes, good. I will write here one. I love to sing. I love to sing. Okay. I love to sing. Do you like to sing, children? We'll put a good I. I love to sing. How many singers are there in this class? Is there anyone who sing here? Okay, yes children, I love to sing. I love to sing. You can also frame some other sentences, your own. Next is plenty. What is the next one? Plenty. Plenty. Can you frame a sentence? I bought plenty of apples. I bought, past tense of buy, bought. I bought what? Plenty of what? Apples. Do you like apples, children? Yes, you should eat apples. It's very good for your health. Okay, so I bought plenty of apples. I bought plenty of apples. Or you can write, I drink plenty of water. I drink plenty of water. Similarly, you can frame your own sentences. So, I bought plenty of apples. Okay, so you write your worksheet neatly. Study these question answers. Write and study question answers in your 4-line notebook. Okay, so be thorough with this chapter, and we are winding up this chapter, and I hope it's clear to you. Yes or no? Yes. So meet you in your next class with the next topic. Okay, thank you, children.